Welcome back to day 2.
So, since we're both working full-time, we're only getting a couple hours in each day until the weekend. So, we've got a couple hours ahead of us tonight, and we're going to start by cutting up the fenders. The white here is where the body of the car is going to get cut. On the WRX, you can't cut too much just because of where the door line is right here. Any further up than that, and you're into like the structural metal that's been stamped by the factory. So if you mess with that, it starts bending and wanting to go back to original shape. So I'm going to cut along the tape here and a tiny bit into the bumper. This is scary.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me.
trying to fit the driver's side front, and I'm having a little bit of an issue with the overflare kind of overlapping the front bumper piece right here. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is either trim back the bumper piece a tiny bit or trim back the overflare. So I'm gonna try and figure that out right now and determine which one I want to trim, and then go ahead and actually do the trimming. I decided I'm actually gonna trim the overflare. So it's kind of hard to see, but you can see that line there on the tab. So I'm gonna trim that line and across all the way to the corner here. So take about 1/8 off, and I'm just gonna start small and see if that's enough, and if it needs more, I'll go back and trim more. To try and match the fitment to the other side, I've gone ahead and taken a bunch of measurements and just laid out with tape a border of where the kit needs to sit to match the passenger side. So I've gone ahead, I've done that. So the inside of the tape is where the outside of the over fender has to sit. So doing that just makes sure the sides are consistent, and it's easier to line up that way. So we officially have the entire kit screwed onto the car with the self-tappers, and I'm pretty happy with the fitment for now. Obviously it's not perfect, but with molding the kit, I have a lot of room to make it perfect just with sanding and stuff. So ensure your gas door opens as well. And so the rear quarter panels are already cut. We're gonna go ahead and mark out the front carbon fenders and cut them as well.